What's your name?
My name is Isaac.
Yeah, in what class?
You're free.
How do you feel going to school every day?
Good.
And how do you feel about your friends?
Happy.
Okay, what about them? How do they feel about you?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Why?
I'm not sure because they don't play with me that fun all the time.
Okay, and what again?
I think they don't play with me all the time because I'm not the same skin color of them.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel sad.
Okay, and where will you love to go to your high school?
Nigeria.
Why?
Because everyone in Nigeria is the same skin color of me.
And so you feel if you go to Nigeria, you feel connected with them?
Yes.
Okay, so how are you sure about that?
Good.
Good. So what do you tell the government of Nigeria to do for you so that you can come to Nigeria for secondary school? Why don't you tell the government to make sure Nigeria is in good order? That you want to come to Nigeria, you want good school, you want good road. I know you don't have the experience of what Nigeria look like. I know you say a lot of things about Nigeria sometimes, and I try to cover it up. You left Nigeria when you were 18 months, and you can't remember what Nigeria looked like. But every day, my son comes home telling me about he feels in school. Please, Nigerian government, do something about it. We are not happy. We want to come back home. But no social amenities, no school, the fear of security, the fear of if anything happened to my kids, how can I take them to the hospital? Please, Nigerian government, we want to come back home. Do something, please. Do something. We want change. We want change. Do something, please. Please.